Hear any of these? Keep driving, and you could kill your engine. Catching them early saves thousands. Here's what they mean, and what to do. Metallic knock under load points to rod or bearing wear. If the oil light flickers, shut it down. Check level and pressure now. A sharp ping while accelerating is detonation. Wrong octane, a lean mix, or aggressive timing. Use the correct fuel. Fix vacuum, MAF issues, and scan trims. A rapid tick that follows RPM is lifter or valve train. Low oil, sticky lifter, worn cam or rocker. Verify oil level and spec, then schedule a top-end inspection. Rattle for a second at cold start? Timing chain tensioner losing pressure. Use a filter with an anti-drainback valve. Correct viscosity and inspect guides tensioner. A high squeal is serpentine belt or idler slip, sometimes alternator drag. Replace the belt and idlers. Check pulley alignment. Squeal today can mean overheat tomorrow. A hiss or whistle is a vacuum leak or coolant boil. Smoke test the intake, pressure test the cooling system, and fix leaks before long drives. Gurgling after shutdown means air in the coolant or low level. Top up with the correct coolant. Bleed the system and find the source of the leak. Red lights mean stop. Oil pressure or temperature. Pull over now. For everything else, check oil and coolant, scan for codes, and book a proper inspection. Save this, share with a friend who drives, and follow the Smart Garage for more car care clues.